Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is That Rat Girl. If you're new here, please like, share, subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today, this video is about shopping haul and upgrading my fridge. As you can see, I had that old fridge before, and I'm going to show you the process where I went window shopping, and I'm going to show you the process and now take you through to up to, I think I'll do a mini stock, what is it called, a mini fridge restock with you guys. So yeah, please stay tuned.
What's it go? You are go, all depend. The cash, ride the whip, I know feet, die for nothing. What's it go? You are go, all depend. The cash, ride the whip, I know feet, die for nothing. Make you know say anything when you do, them must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, I they try to take me to my way. Plenty survive with the face, just to make your money day. But my people then go say I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want women, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. You tell me, what's it go? You want go, all depend. The cash, ride the whip, I know feet, die for nothing. What's it go? You want go, all depend. The cash, ride the whip. Different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, port I'm paddling. Shara Shinabella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen trace. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. But I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a I be head of state. But my people then go say I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want women, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it go? You are go, all depend. The cash, ride the whip, I know feet, die for nothing. What's it go? You are go, all depend. The cash, ride the whip, I know feet. Oluwa, oh now.
So on this day, Carrefour had offers on fridges, and I thought, why not, let's look. And this particular fridge caught my eye because of its simplicity and its size. I wanted something that gave me space and I mean a lot of storage, simple, and yeah, this is what caught my eye.
Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair, where's me out of fear? You find me ugly and one day you'll disappear, cause the point of crying, it was never even now. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? The boy's a liar, the boy's a liar. He doesn't
So guys, this is all the shopping you can get at Carrefour with 8,616 shillings. Not forgetting, the amount is for someone who has the My Club app, and currently they are celebrating their, I think it's their 7th year anniversary, so like some products are discounted, and so I'll take you step by step, or rather I'll show you what I got. And these are just some cookies, some crisps, Pick and Peel juice, Del Monte juice, another pack of Del Monte juice, and some smoked sausages, another pack, another juice, peanut butter, some yogurt, another yogurt, some more yogurt, coconut milk, some more yogurt, coconut cream, tea leaves, some crisps. So that is one bag down. The other, some flavored tea bags, bread, wet wipes, bicarbonate. This was given. Some cereals, some jahe, margarine, another bicarbonate, some chocolates. That's another bag down. And some cat food, Vim, some baking soap, and a big watermelon. So yeah, this shopping costed a total of 8,616 shillings. I think I mentioned as I was starting the video. So guys, this shopping is from Carrefour, and that's all. For 8,616 shillings, you guys, uchumi imepanda vibaya sana. Like kitambo, I think this would cost like 4,000 shillings. I don't know. I'm just estimating, but wacha tu, economy ya hustler ndio hiyo. Yeah, so I'm going to like do a mini restock fridge with you guys. I'm hoping this video won't be that long. So yeah, let's get into it. So guys, before I go to the fridge restock, this is my old fridge, and I just wanted to show you the before, the upgrade, and now I'm gonna show you the upgrade. Guys, so this is my fridge now. It's so big. I think I'll insert a photo so that you can see, but this is it. It's an LG. Yeah, and it has all these functions. This is a, I don't know what to call it, an LED screen, yeah, but let me not give you the basics of what I don't know, but I know you can control from here. And this is how the inside looks like. This is now the normal fridge. That's the door. And this is the freezer. Actually didn't look at this specific fridge, but on the day I took advantage of the Carrefour anniversary offers, and it was last week on Sunday. Yeah, I went and found I think at 25 was it a 25% off or 20% off? Yeah, and when I saw this, I knew this was it. Initially, the fridge I had loved. I know Delulu is the Solulu. I had loved one for. So this is my fridge. Kuja niwaonyeshe sasa hapa ndani. So hapa ni ku unwrap tu kwanza. So nilikuwa nawaambia hii kitu inaitwa fresh balance. Sasa iko kwa veggies, but unaweza ipeleka kwa fruits. Alafu kishuka hapa hata umeandikiwa fresh balance, fruits and veggies. Alafu hapa fresh zone, fruits and vegetables pia. Anyway, tuendelee na kwa unwrap. So hapa ndio kwa ice compartment. As you can see, ukiturn hivi linamwagika kwa hii compartment ya collect ice. Yeah, alafu huku ni tray hii. Hapa ni kwa fish and meats. Hivyo ndio inakaa. Alafu hapa sijui kama ni chicken and imeandikwa, but nashuku ni chicken and meat bado, kwa sababu hadi kwa mlango imeandikwa freezing fish, ice cream, chicken. Haya, so guys, hii fridge inatumia ni smart fridge, so unaweza access through your mobile app, na ukiangalia hapa inakuonyesha details za fridge. Unaweza scan to connect fridge na hiyo app yenye ina connect to wifi, then unaweza control remotely. So yeah, ndio hiyo QR code yake. So ukiangalia tu hiyo app, in case uko na fridge kaa hii ama unataka kubuy fridge kaa hii, itakupeleka hizo steps na connect to wifi na uweze kuoperate fridge. Hapo so hii fridge wanasema iko na door cooling. Ukiangalia hapa imeandikwa hivyo, door cooling. And then another smart thing, okay, not smart, another cool feature I feel. Sometimes wenye fridge yako unashindwa hiyo ni nini inalia hivyo, maybe ina make like ku demolish fridge, ukisikia sauti ni unashindwa hiyo ni sauti ya nini. Uonyeshe hii hapa hivi, apparently una connect na app, unaweka simu hapo inasikiza hiyo sauti, then itaweza ku diagnose. Yep, so I guess that's it. So you guys, I think tunaweza sasa restock fridge. Ndio hiyo picha nilikuwa nawaambia ya wifi. Yenye uko vacation unaweza hata una press button inaenda inaitwaje? Some sort of power saving mode. Yeah, alafu ndio hii wifi yake. Anyway, how uko interested unaweza google the rest. Sitaki kuambia kitu siko sure kwa za moso learning. Yeah, so next ni fridge restock. Cha restock hizo vitu za 8K tuweke sasa kwa hii fridge.
Right now we're just taking time. All the things are on your mind. They ain't going bad when I treat you right. I don't care how you look so nice. Crying at night, you're rude. Want me to feel like I'm new. Want me to watch you do. Don't get you look so nice, being not nice, you're rude. Look what you're putting me through. I never do this to you. I need to hold a corner in a slow wine. One time I need to hold the corner in a slow wine. One time I need to 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 I need to
So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. That's all from me. Until next time, bye.